1 week after TVJ News highlighted the rat infestation on Ward 3 at the Spanish Town Hospital in St. Catherine, the Chief Public Health Inspector for that parish has ordered the ward closed. Grayson Hutchinson disclosed at today's sitting of the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation that some patients on Ward 3 have been relocated to Ward 4, while others have been discharged. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm tells us more.
A game of rat and mouse in full swing on Ward 3 at the Spanish Town Hospital in St. Catherine. A week later, news from the Chief Public Health Inspector for the parish that the female surgical ward is on lockdown.
The ward will be reoccupied as soon as the treatment is completed and it has been assessed and found to be free from any evidence of rat infestation.
So what caused the problem in the first place? For one, Grayson Hutchinson says patients feed other creatures on the compound. And two, there was a pileup of old furniture and equipment waiting to be discarded by the Board of Survey. Some of those items have already been removed. As an immediate response, a registered pest control agency has sprung into action.
83 bait stations were set throughout the compound and are being monitored. The trees which facilitated the presence of roof rats have been cut down and other trees have been baited. External openings have been sealed or screened and doors have now been affixed with self-closing devices.
Mayor of Spanish Town Norman Scott responded.
This is the premier healthcare facility in St. Catherine, and you have to close a ward because rat is taking charge of the hospital. This is no joke. This is no simple issue. Therefore, I would have expected the Ministry of Health coming here this morning to tell us that the government is planning or is doing something that is going to appease the citizens of this town and of this parish. Instead, we are in a little wishy-washy response to a national emergency. That's not accepted. What's the point of order?
The point of order, Mr. Chairman, you are misleading us because there's no way you can say, Mr. Chairman, that the government is not doing anything as it relates to the rat infestation. I mean, this goes right across the parish. And I'm sure that the Ministry of Health is doing everything in their capacity to address it, Mr. Chairman.
Councillor Thompson.
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Please sit.
Mr. Chairman, the efforts that have been made will ensure that the situation is in fact brought under control.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.